Welcome to the nest. We've been on summer hiatus and I'm excited to get back into crafting. So join me today. So today I'm going to be showing you how I can take these really fun Dollar Tree title stickers and we're going to turn these into titles for a swap I'm working on. Do you want to trim them down just a bit? Next up, so these come in 2 pieces. The stickers are still currently $1.25. I would recommend getting them when you see them. I am going to center these because we're going to be adding some fun embellishments. But what I am going to be using is a Dollar Tree lei. And they come in so many great colors. And I've got some cute gems that'll match this. In the lei that I have, it has like a more yellow and a more orangey. I'm going for the more yellow. I'm using smaller threads and I like them so that they match, but you can see on some of these I also did it where I did a different color, so I did the yellow on the pink. On these I did purple on purple, so just have fun with this. The secret for this is kind of just figure out where you want these to land. I'm going to punch where there's already a hole. This way I can just make a bigger one. Slide in my big flower. And we've got the base for the first flower. And on this one, I got these gems. I'm gonna add a few for fun effect. Kind of add some bling to match the bubbles. And here we have a really cute title. Thanks for joining me in the nest today. I hope you had fun watching and crafting with me as I made summer titles out of words, stickers, and scrapbooking paper. If you like this type of content, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the like button so you get notified when my next video drops. And in the comments below, let me know what kind of projects you'd like me to work on.